go!
Hello and welcome to Matilda Visits Melbourne again! It is April 2019 and we are back in the city where Mummy and Daddy met, here in the city centre in front of Flinders Street Station. Matilda, what are we doing today? Do you remember?
Where Matilda?
That's right, we're here with Amber. That is, where is she? Back here. That is Melinda's godmother. And we are gonna see a couple of cool things. We're gonna see the Queen Vic Market. We're gonna catch up with good friends from work along the Yarra River, and plenty more to come, including a Good Friday luncheon in the Botanical Gardens, which are just over there. Are you buying cheese, Matilda?
No. I love paper. The end is gonna buy some. He's supposed to go there. Is it?
This is the sign for the famous hook turn in Melbourne, where you need to turn around and go across the other lane in order to go across the intersection. When I was 19, I came to Melbourne for the first time, and this was known as Daimaru, the biggest shopping centre in the city. Melbourne Central is it's known nowadays, and this behind us is the Shot Put Tower. We're going to have a very quick look at the museum. Amber, have you ever been in the Shot Put Museum?
I grew up in Melbourne and I have never been in the Shot Museum, so this is an exciting moment for me.
Have you learned something about your city that you grew up in?
I am imagining wild emus on the corner of the streets because that's what was happening here in 1851.
This is inside the shot tower, where they actually made lead shots by pouring molten lead into a sort of cross at the top, and it would fall down, forming droplets as it came down, and then on the way down it would solidify, become hard, and fall into a water basin at the end. When was the last time you were at the comedy festival, Amber?
Too long ago, but I feel like I'm in Melbourne. This is quintessential Melbourne here.
We are on near Federation Square here in Melbourne with Matilda Visits, and have caught up with old friends. That's always a good thing. When I say old friends, there's also some new friends we haven't featured in Matilda Visits. What is your name?
Chloe!
Chloe, and where do you come from? Yeah, that's right. Well, Chloe, despite being born here in Australia, is actually a Kiwi at heart, just like, you know, most of our family here in Korea. It has been 2 years since we last had you on Matilda Visits. How have you been?
Yeah, great, thank you. And got a new addition here.
And your husband, in the meantime, moved up as well, I heard. He's not here today, unfortunately.
No, he's busy working, unfortunately, but he sends his wishes, and yeah, I'm going to come and have a beer with you.
And last time we had luncheon at the Union on Chapel Street,
yes,
and this time, which place have you chosen for us?
So we're at a transport bar here, looking out over the river. It's a beautiful sunny Melbourne.
I have chocolate.
You have chocolate?
Is it nice, Harry?
What does Daddy have?
Yeah, black orange. With
Matilda Visits, we are in the Botanical Gardens here in beautiful Melbourne. And yeah, catching up with all of our good friends that came to see us around Christmas and throughout the other times. And we've got work colleagues and yeah, just about everybody. We kind of know family, friends, cousins, the whole lot. So Ashley, which team do you support?
Tigers.
Matilda, did you see the tiger on his shirt?
Is he going to give us a consent form?
No, probably not. The world-changing big news.
As Collingwood lost the grand final by 4 points, and that was very. Oh yeah, I'm going to become a father. No, that's super exciting. That is
Excellent. So you know, boy or girl?
We know it's a girl, and we're very happy that football now has a women's league. So she could still grow up to play for Collingwood, and that is like all that's important.
Thank you for coming along to the big market yesterday. You bought something special, I understand.
We have some salami that's made from kangaroo. So yeah.
Leanne is already into it. PK, welcome back to Matilda Visits. Did you know the last time that you appeared got to over 100,000 views?
What's that?
Yeah.
Really?
All down to you.
Nah. But I'll see you in Basel though in August.
Excellent, very good.
The shiny. I already got some. Matilda.
Are you in charge of the Easter Bunny goodness here?
In the basket. Luca might know where some are. He'll take it. That's it.
That we can find it. I got another one.
Good girl.
You didn't need to say that. I found one. Wait.
Oh my gosh.
Another one. So many.
They must have
Work and like.
Hello. Keep it. Pretend that she's holding it.
Where are we right now? With Matilda Visits and Leander Life. We are enjoying some drinks here along the St Kilda shoreline. Behind us is the bay, and just in the background there you can actually see Westgate Bridge and parts of the city centre. It's been fantastic catching up with everybody. So sad to have to leave them all behind again, but yeah. You can find in the description below some links to other videos where all of our friends have appeared before, such as New York or Melbourne, Brisbane, just, you know, all around the world. So today we are at Acme here in Melbourne. It is the centre, the Australian Centre for the Moving Image, and we're going to have a look around together with Amanda and Michael and their little daughter Annabella. That looks pretty cool, Matilda. Yes! Yet another new face on Matilda Visits. What is your name?
Come on. You don't have to be a shy.
You know your name.
Arabella, hello and welcome to Matilda Visits. What are you playing, Katie?
I don't know.
Did you know of all the Australian movies that have been created in this fantastic country of yours?
Unfortunately, yes.
Matilda, what is this character called? So, of all times, what is your favorite Australian movie?
I'd say Mad Max.
Mad Max, yeah? The original ones or the new one? That is fantastic, isn't it?
Welcome to Armadale, our old haunt. Oh, dash out.
You've been on Matilda Visits before, haven't you?
I sure have. I was honoured to even get the front cover of your latest one a few months ago, which I was totally chuffed about.
We are here at Soda Rock on Chapel Street, and this is where we'll be ending this episode of Virtual Limited. Thanks very, very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. You'll find the links to all the previously mentioned episodes in the description below, and we look forward to welcoming you again on another trip somewhere throughout Europe or Australia or Asia or wherever we may go. Our next destination actually starts already tomorrow when we are heading to Dubai, where we're going to create Matilda in Dubai. So see you again soon. Bye bye.